Imagine building a house without a blueprint. You start with an idea, but changes along the way become difficult. Agile methodologies are like having a flexible blueprint for your projects. They help teams adapt to change and deliver value quickly. Traditional project management methods can be rigid. Agile embraces change, even late in the project. It emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and continuous improvement. Instead of long phases, Agile projects are divided into short cycles called sprints. This allows for frequent inspection and adaptation, ensuring the project stays on track even as requirements evolve. Why is Agile so important in today's fast-paced world? Think about developing a new software application. Traditional methods might take months to deliver a finished product. By then, customer needs may have changed, rendering the application obsolete. Agile methodologies address this challenge head-on. By delivering working increments frequently, Agile allows for constant feedback and adjustments. This iterative approach ensures that the final product meets the actual needs of the users. Agile methodologies promote transparency and collaboration. This leads to better communication, faster problem solving, and ultimately, more successful projects. Scrum is a popular Agile framework that relies on a small, self-organizing team. The Scrum team consists of 3 key roles: the product owner, the Scrum master, and the development team. The product owner represents the customer and defines what needs to be built. The Scrum master guides the team in following the Scrum process. The development team builds the product in sprints, typically lasting 2 weeks. Each sprint starts with a sprint planning meeting where the team selects items from the product backlog, a prioritized list of features. The team works collaboratively, tracking progress daily in a daily Scrum meeting. At the end of the sprint, they demonstrate the working increment in a sprint review and reflect on their process in a sprint retrospective. Section 4. Kanban Visualizing Workflow. Kanban is another Agile methodology that focuses on visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress. Imagine, if you will, a factory production line. Kanban applies a similar concept to knowledge work. A Kanban board is used to visualize the workflow. It typically has columns representing different stages of work such as to do, in progress, and done. Tasks are represented by cards and move across the board as they progress. One of Kanban's key principles is limiting work in progress, or WIAP. By setting YP limits for each stage, teams can identify bottlenecks and improve flow. Kanban is highly adaptable and can be implemented incrementally. It promotes continuous improvement by encouraging teams to analyze their workflow and identify areas for optimization. Section 5. Agile's Diverse Toolkit. Scrum and Kanban are just 2 examples of Agile methodologies. Other popular frameworks include Lean Software Development, Extreme Programming or XP, and Feature-Driven Development or FDD. Each methodology has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice really depends on the specific project and team. Some organizations even blend elements from different methodologies to create a hybrid approach. The key is to understand the principles of Agile and adapt them to your context. Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a set of values and principles that guide teams towards greater agility and success.